Here I have MG MS6 and let me show you how to make your MG car clock update automatically. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to swipe to the left until you see the settings icon. The settings icon is located right here. Let's just tap it. Now, as you can see, it's important to be in the general tab, the first tab from the left, and then you can scroll down until you see the automatic time. So when automatic time is turned on, the car uses the internet data or GPS satellites to set the exact time, date, and time zone by itself. So let me just do this. So now I don't need to be worried about changing time, about changing time zone. Everything will be set by itself. But of course, I can also disable the automatic time and I can choose my date here. So I can change it here by using those switchers, time, and also the time zone. So if you would like to do this manually, you've got the possibility, but if you just want to set up this automatically, you can do this. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.